Gentlemen, in this video we are talking about something all of us want. The other day I was meeting some dude in the gym and I just talked to him, and after 5 minutes I was just like, oh my god, this dude is fucking awesome. I like this dude. And actually it got me thinking, why did I like this dude? What did he do? Is he like a likable super genius or what? So I actually broke this thing down into 6 things that will make you likable as hell. So the first thing which will make you likable as fuck is the positive energy. When you have positive energy and when you talk with people with positive energy, actually they feel this energy and they feel positive as well. Whatever the topic is, when somebody's asking how are you doing, you don't say, I don't know, life is going, just say, it's great, life is good, I love my life. And such energy, actually people feel it and just they tend to like you more than liking some other complaining, whining person all the time. So think about it. Being positive will actually help. And if you feel down, like all of us feel down sometimes, but if you have this mentality, if you know that what you're feeling now you can change and you can actually be positive, and with being positive you can do more and you can move yourself and achieve what you want, actually that would be alone a very good help for you and for your mental health as well as for your physical health. The second thing which will make you likable as hell is sense of humor. I know you may say, okay, I'm not funny. Guess what? You're not alone, my friend. But at least just don't be negative all the time. Just be positive and that will do. Smile. And which will bring us to number 3. Always smile. I mean, smiling will cost you nothing, but actually when you smile, when somebody sees you smile, they most probably smile back. And actually this is something positive which will make other people like you. Just think about it. You're just walking around in the street and you meet somebody, you said, hi. Most probably you will be smiling as well. And so keep in mind, smiling costs you nothing, but it makes you feel amazing and it makes other people feel amazing. And when they feel amazing, they will probably like you. The fourth thing which will make you likable as hell is being kind. And I mean it. Being kind, it's not easy. Not anybody can be kind, but everybody can be an asshole sometimes, right? Being kind, it requires from you that you think before you speak. You think about the consequences of what you are going to say and how it will affect you as well as how it will affect the other person. So being kind, it's a practice. You have to practice it every day. You have to be like thinking about what you're saying and actually thinking about what you're doing. When somebody's asking for your help, are you helping them? Do you say some words like please and yes, sure, I will help you, or thank you? So these simple words are just make a lot of differences, because when you're just being kind to people tend to remember that. Actually, when you think about that, I never thought that being likable is connected to being kind, but when I think the more I think about it, the more it makes sense. When you are being kind to someone, they probably will remember that you're so kind with them and they will most probably like you more. The fifth thing which will make you likable as hell is giving compliments. This is my area, guys. Like, I love doing it. I love giving compliments. I love saying positive things to people. I don't know why, but I just love it. And actually when I do that, it makes me feel good as well. Not only the person that I'm telling you are amazing or you look good today. Actually when I say that and when I see that some little words make some people happy, I just tend to be happy as well. And giving compliments is easy. You can just, when you see somebody wearing a new jacket, you say, hey, it's a new jacket, right? It's very nice. Where did you get it from? Something like that. It's very simple, very quick, and it will make the other person feel good. And when they feel good, most probably they will like you more. Last but not least, the thick thing that will make other people like you as hell is, you know it, being an active listener. And I mean it. When somebody's talking to you, always give eye contact. Listen to what they say. Maybe you just give a little tap on the shoulder or something and say everything is gonna be alright. And such little things will actually make people remember you and will make people actually like you more. I myself tend to like people who they are so warm and intimate. When I talk to them, they look me in the eye and just listen to me and understand what I'm saying and try to feel how I'm feeling. And when I feel that somebody's doing the same, actually it make me tend to like them more. So I guess if you did that, my friend, you'll be most probably more likable. So these were the 6 things that will make you likable as fuck. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, write a comment, subscribe, and do the bell button thing, please. Guys, I love you. You're amazing. See you in the next video.